What's up, guys? Long time no see. So this here just got in the mail today. My spanner wrench and my knuckle bearing, also known as ball race. This is genuine from Yamaha. I got it online. So yeah, today we're going to be changing my ball race or knuckle bearing. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, we've got to make sure that our bike is jacked up and front wheel is lifted, because we're going to be taking that off first before we go to our triple clamp, so it's not going to get in the way. Okay, so I already got rid of the front wheel, the fender, and the caliper, because we don't want that to get in the way when we move over to the triple clamp, because we're going to be pulling those forks out, so we'll be able to get to the T-post. Everything's out of the way. We're just going to be loosening up the triple clamp, and then we'll be able to pull out these inverted forks. So first we're going to start off with this bolt right here. So we'll be able to pull this triple clamp after we loosen these bolts here. So we'll start off with this. Okay, so now we're done with this. Before we loosen up this ones here up top, there's two more under, which is holding our fork. That's the T-post itself. So we have to undo that ones first, and then we move up here. Okay, so it's already loose. Now it's time to move up top. It's already easy to take them off now, because I already took these ones off before when I lowered my bike, so it's already easy. And I pretty much already know what I'm doing a bit. That's out of the way. Two more. I'm not sure if there are screws here too, but we'll get to that later. This will be the very first time I'd be taking out my whole handlebar system. I did this on my other bike, which was a 150cc, and which was smaller than this. It was a pain in the ass to have to replace those knuckle bearings. Alright, so now everything's loose. I don't know what else is holding. Alright, so we're not going to be pulling this out because it's gonna it's gonna have scratches, so I need something to insert in this slit so it will be loose enough in order for us to pull it out. Okay, was already able to pull one out with the help of this, my screwdriver. It's over there, so I'm gonna do it again on the other side. So there have it, it's all gone. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. There it is, my fork, my inverted telescopic. So now we're gonna be moving on to the triple clamp. There, I don't want any other scratches. I'm gonna put this in. That over there. I don't know if you can see it, but over there, let me turn on the light. There, that's a pain in the ass. I'm pretty sure that's number 8. So I'm gonna take that off first in order to, pull this here. Nice. So this is a lock for your special lock nut. The lock nuts are soft. They're not even tight. See, I can just twist them using my fingers. Alright, so that's tight. Okay, so after this, there's going to be a rubber bushing or rubber washer. A rubber washer. So this is where our spanner tool is going to come in handy. 45 to 52 mm spanner wrench. I hope it fits there. Not gonna lie though, I think you need 2 people for this job. I'm just gonna hold it under in case it falls down. I don't want to risk that damage. Alright. See, I knew it. It's gonna fall. Alright, so after 10 months, this is how my knuckle bearings look like. Look at that, it looks like shit. My bike's just 10 months old. It's full of rust and... So, I think it's not damaged. It's not damaged in any way. It's just loose, but since it's not looking good, any longer, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace this. Okay, so these are my top knuckle bearings. Yep, they seem perfectly fine. It's just that they're dirty. Yep, they're very dirty. They look fine. Even the fittings look fine. So yeah, I think it just got loose, or it loosened up. So we're just gonna go ahead and take those out. This is up top, and there's also one under. So yeah, after that we're gonna be changing it to our new knuckle bearings. Okay, since I don't have anything else to poke the hole with, I'm just gonna be using this ratchet wrench that I have and just start working my way down until those fittings fall off. Of course, we have to start from the top first, or from the bottom, whatever. Let's just start. I'm moving in a circular motion so it's evenly, you know. It loosens up evenly. Okay, after a few hammerings, that's one down. One more to go. Right, so that was tiring. The top part is gone. So all that's left now is replacing. So yeah, before we do that, we need to take these ones out. Alright? So, see you in a bit.